children. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Yes, today is Friday. The date is 5th March. Okay. As usual, if today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday, we will meet in our where in Zoom meet. Okay. We meet and greet. You can keep all your questions ready so that we can clarify in our Zoom meet. Okay, children. Yes. Today directly I'll start the class with our English, that is cursive writing. Okay. 1 second. Till now what did all we learn? I'll write within a joining letter only. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Last one is Z. This is your cursive writing. Yesterday we learned the two-letter words using the A. What and all we learned? From A to J we learned A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E, A, F, A, G, A, H, I, J. We learned till A, J. These all are the two-letter words using the A words. Okay, today we are going to learn some other words using the A words. Okay, J, A, K, A, L, A, M, A, N, A, O, A, P, Q, A, R, A, S, A, T, A, U, A, V, W, A, X, A, Y, A, Z. These all are the cursive joining letter using the A, children. Okay. I'll take some example and I'll show you how you can write. C, A, T, cat, P, A, T, pat, F, A, T, pat. These we will write in cursive. How you will write? C, A, T. See the difference. B, A, T, pat. F, A, T, fat. Like this, you can write in your cursive writing. Do practice at home. You will come to know. The homework is complete. Till page number 40. This is your cursive writing. Complete till page number 40 in your cursive writing book. Okay. These all are the A family. This we have taken because we have to learn this how we can join and write. Okay, this is your cursive writing, children. Now today we will move to another one thing, that is say the division of the diagram. Okay, we will learn know all the diagram. What are those? CH, SH, chain, sheets, chain, shoe, shock, short, 3, thigh, that, we, with. Like this, we have learned CH, SH, TH and WH family of the revision of the diagram. You know how to make the sentences also. Open your page number 61 in your phonic activity book. Homework is in your phonic activity book, page number 61. What they given there? CH, SH and TH. Circle the picture that match the diagram. You have to circle the picture that match the diagram. They are given there chain, wheel and the cheese. You have to see which will come under CH family and you have to circle that picture. Tick the correct sentence. You can see one picture they are given here. You see that he likes to collect shells. Kim likes to paint a ship. Which is correct? That related to that picture, the sentence you need to tick it off. Okay? This is your homework for your which the diagram. Okay, children? The next class we will go to a sight words. Okay, in the sight words, today we are going to learn a sight word of a play. Do you like to play? Do you like to play? Do you like to play? Yes or no? Yes. The second one is, where do you play? ನೀನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಔಟ್ಡೋರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೇರ್ ಡು ಯು ಪ್ಲೇ? ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಪ್ಲೇ? What do you play? What do you like to play? Yes, I like to. Do you like to play? Yes, I like to play. Where do you play? I love to play indoor games. What do you like to play? I like to play chess, carom or snookers, which are all indoor games. Like that, you can make a questions also, and also you can make a answers using a sight word play. Understood, children? Yes. Now shall we move to our next class, that is our mathematics, and I am doing all the revision classes only, children. Okay, understood? 1 to 100. Correct? No, you know the numbers also and number names also from 1 to 100. Like 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Like that, you know the numbers till the 100. And also you know the number name. For example, if I take a 72 a number, the spelling of that is SEVENTY 72. TWO2. Okay? Yes. Today we are going to learn one story also, that is the gingerbread man. Okay, in that you can count how many characters will come there. Okay, yes, with that example you come to know how to do the counting also with the gingerbread man. Okay, revision in that you know the numbers and number also. So only I will give some homeworks regarding the same thing in your mathematics. The first homework is write number names. Okay, 41, 86, 77, 12, 58, 94, then 60, 100, 11. Okay, you have to write the number names for 41, 86, 77, 12, 58, 94, 60, 100 and the 11. The second one you have to write numbers from 1 to 100 one time. Everything you have to do in your square book. With that, the another one homeworks in your mathematics readiness book, page number. Mathematics readiness book, page number 54. You have to do the worksheet. 97, you have to circle the number that matches the corresponding number name. What is that? Name and the date. You have to put the name and you have to put your date. Then you have to do the activity, circle the number that matches the corresponding number name. 97, you have to identify where is the 97 and you have to circle it off. Okay children, this is your maths class. Everything I am doing the revision. So again and again I am not doing the revision. You know the numbers from 1 to 100 and also you know the number names from 1 to 100. Correct? No? Yes. And I have given some homework regarding the same thing. I have given the number names. You have to write the number name from what and all I have given here. Here I have given the numbers till 100. Okay. You have to write the number names for the given numbers, and the second homework is write number from 1 to 100. You can write from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, 11, 12, 13, 14 like that. You have to write only one time. That's it. Okay. Then in the third homework is in your mathematics readiness book in the page number 54. Then I have given the number name. You have to identify the number and circle the same thing. This is your maths class. Now we will move to our next theme class, that is the EVS. In the EVS, we were learning about the water. First, we learn sources of water. Okay, what are the sources of water? What do you mean by sources of water? What is the meaning? First, we will learn what is the meaning of the water. a liquid form which is suitable for our essential needs. Without water we cannot live. How we get the water? Either from the rain, either from the lakes, pond and all. This is the sources of water. Okay, how many kinds of sources are there? That we will go to read and learn in our classes. Okay, then water, is it a water any color having the water? No, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ನೀರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ನ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ನ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೇನು ಕಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ವೆಸಲ್ ಯಾವ ಕಲರಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಲರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಗ್ರೇ, ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಗ್ರೇ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ದ ಸಿ ವಾಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ or in the light blue, dark blue. Some other countries like Egypt and all, the water will be in a reddish color. Like the joining of the Arabian Sea, the brown color will mixes with the blue color water. That edge you can see very clearly. So that the water is odorless, tasteless and also the colorless. Correct? No? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಕಲರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. Except the sea water. Sea water will be very salty. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಾಟರ್ಗೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ಲು ಇರಲ್ಲ. If you mix anything, you will get a water smell. Like if you put a lemon to the water, you will get a very sour taste. If you put a sugar in the water, you will get a sweet, like that. Only the well water will be little bit sweet. It will be cold also, very cold also. Okay children, today we are going to learn deeply the sources of water. Please open your Tell Me More book, the page number 1. What they are given and do it orally, then we can go through the question and answer. Sources of water, they are given rain, hand pump, sea, well, lake, river, ocean and a tank, and last one is dam. Rain water, it's a natural source of water. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಮಳೆನ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬರ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಮಳೆನ ಬರೋ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಂತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಳೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಾ? ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರನ್ನ ಏನಾದರೂ ಶೇಖರಣೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ ಸಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ವಾಟರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿವರ್ ವಾಟರ್. ರಿವರ್, ಎಸ್, ರಿವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್? ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2 sides ಆಫ್ sand ಅಥವಾ land. In the middle the river will go. The channel is different, the river is different. Okay children, the river is also a natural kind of water source, but it will run through a small 2 edges. You can see ದಡ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಕಡೆನೂ ಒಂದು ದಡ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಕಡೆನೂ ಒಂದು ದಡ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹರಿತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Then well is also a man-made, correct ಅಲ್ಲ? It's an artificial source of water. ನಾವು ಬಾವಿ ಅದಾಗಿ ಉತ್ಪತ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಬಾವಿನ ಅಗಿತೀವಿ. ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಡಿಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೆಲ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ನೋ, ದೇ ವರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೀಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ದ well and they will build the same well with the water, stones and all. Next is hand pump. Hand pump is a modern type of well. Okay, that is also a man-made. It's an artificial source of water. Yes, no? Because when you pump a water, the water will come out of that. Then lake. Lake is that is not an artificial. It's a natural type of water that is made up of with a natural one. Okay, next is ocean. Sea and ocean are both the same, but sea it's a calm water, the ocean is a vast one. ಸಮುದ್ರ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಓಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ some time the ocean will be very rough. We can see so many waves in the ocean, but sea it will be little bit calm. The waves are little bit calm, and it is a place where you can enjoy your jolly rides. Okay, the tank overhead tanks are there. No, that is also an artificial kind of water sources which is made up of man. Dam is also an artificial type of water which has been stored by the human beings. Correct, na? The dam is built in some acres, in a plenty of acres like 10,000 or 100,000 acres. They will take one place and they will build a dam in that. Okay. Then what they will do? They will store a water from sea or ocean in that dam, and they will utilize whenever want. Like our Mysore KRS is there, no, like that. Okay. The question and answer is, from where do we get water? We get water from rain because it is a natural one. Where do we find the wells? We find the wells in villages. Why is a dam built? A dam is built across the river to store water. Why we cannot drink the sea water? We cannot drink the sea water because it is salty. What is an ocean? An ocean is a huge body of salt water. As I told you, an ocean is a huge body of salt water. Okay, these are all the question and answer what you have to learn. Sources of water. The homework is okay, question and answer in your internet book you have to write. Okay, next one. In the same thing you have to learn the second part, that is uses of water. The same thing. Tell me more book. What they are given there? What they are given there? That is, what are the uses of water? Okay, what are the uses of water? Why you use the water and where you use the water? Yes, for drinking, taking bath, for cooking, for cleaning your clothes, cleaning the house, to planting the trees, for a water. Then also for moving, for the transportation also we will use the water. Okay, please open your book, the page number 35 in your Tell Me More book. In that they are given uses of water: drinking, watering plants, to put off fire, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, farming, and the ships and boats sail in water. Drinking, correct? No, without drinking you can't stay. Correct? Can you stay without drinking a water for 1 hour at least? No, you feel thirsty. Whenever you eat something, you need a water to drink. Next one, cooking. Can you cook a food without the water? No. If you want to cook a food, like if you want to cook a rice also, you need a water. If you want to cook a curry, you need a water. If you want to cook a dal, khichdi and all, you need a water. So water is essential for cooking also. Next, for taking the bath, to clean yourself, for taking the bath, do you need a water? Yes, for taking the bath also you need a water. Watering plants. Can the plants live without the water? No. Plants cannot live without the water because to growth for the plant the water is essential. Next, put off the fire. If any accident happens by the fire, you need a water to put off that fire. We get fish from water. Yes, now all the water animals will stay in water like shark, dolphins, whale, octopus, starfish, jellyfish, seahorse. Then what else? The all kinds of fishes, frogs, crocodiles, everything will need a water. It will stay at water only. So fish is also a meat which is very healthy for our brain development. We will get a fish or all the seafoods from Next, washing clothes. If you want to keep clean yourself, you have to wear a clean and wash clothes. How will you wash your clothes? By using the water and detergent. So water is essential. Next, ships and boats sail in water. Yes, no? The ships and boats will sail in water. Transportation of ships and boats are made in a water. Next, the questions for conversation. What are the uses of water? As I told you, there are some uses of water. That is, water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes and utensils, etc. Why does a farmer wait for rains? A farmer waits for rains to grow crops. Who needs water to live? All the water animals need a water to live. All the living animals, living beings need a water to live. From where do we get a salt? We get salt from the water. Why should we not waste water? We should not waste water because many people across the world face water scarcity. Scarcity ಅಂದರೆ ನೀರಿನ ಅಭಾವದಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಅದನ್ನು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್, ಗುಜರಾತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೀರು ಸಿಕ್ಕೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ವಾಟರ್. Which water should we drink? We can drink a pure water. We cannot drink a sea water, ocean water and all the rivers, ponds water and all we cannot drink directly. We can drink the water which is pure, which has been pured after a purification. Okay, these are all the uses of water. Please write the homework here. Write question and answer. Okay, take your mama's help to write the questions and all, and you can write the answer. All the things, uses of water and also the what are the sources of water. This is your homework, children. With that, the second homework is draw two pictures uses of water in your drawing book. You can draw or take two pictures of uses of water and sources of water. What is the uses of water? Like taking a bath and drinking in water or watering a plant. Anything you can draw any two pictures in your drawing book. And also the sources of water like lake, well, hand pump, sea, so many they are given. You can refer to this. Tell me more book and you have to complete all these homeworks, children. Okay, this is your EVS. Before closing my class, I told you you have to learn today one gingerbread story. Last week also I have done this. How many characters will come? Tell to me in your tomorrow meet and greet class. Okay, what is the gingerbread story? You all know. A old lady was doing a bread using the shape of a human being. After coming out of the oven, that man start running, that bread start running, because that bread is made up of ginger and all. His name become a gingerbread. Who are all chased to catch him? The cow, the horse, the man, and the last one fox. One greedy fox catched him and he hated him in front of that old lady. That story, you go through that. Tomorrow when we meet and greet, you have to explain me the story in the English only. Okay, this is your today's class. Hope you all complete your homework day to day basis. Take care. Bye.